Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX Cloud 3 wired to your PS5 in 2026. So you can connect it via a 3.5 mm jack or with the help of USB depending on your setup. So first of all, you need to simply plug the 3.5 mm jack into your PS5 controller. After doing this, the headset will automatically get detected by your PS5. Afterwards, inside your PS5, you need to go to the settings, then go to sound option, then inside sound, select the option of audio output. Over here inside audio output, you need to set the output device as your controller headset. Afterwards, simply scroll down and set the option of output to headphones to all audio, and this ensures both the game sound and the chat audio works. Now inside the setting and inside the sound, you just have to look for the option of microphone. So inside the microphone, you need to set the input device as your controller headset. You can also adjust the mic level so that your voice is clear. If your wired version supports USB audio, make sure that you plug it into the USB port of your PS5. Then you can set input and output devices to USB headset in the sound settings. So after doing this, you just have to join a party or open a game and check if you can hear the audio and your mic is also working properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.